David Houle is a well-known futurist, speaker, and a contributor to Oprah Winfrey's website, Oprah.com, and he's joining us from Chicago. Hi, David.
Hi, Kristen.
Well, David, you know, the economy is on everyone's mind. How do you think it will go in 2011?
Well, you know, it's still a rough road ahead. We're coming out of a reorganizational recession. I think the good news is the second half of 2011 is going to be a general uptick. We're going to feel that we're coming out of this recession finally. But that said, it's not going to be like past recoveries where we go up 4 to 6%. It's more going to be like 2 to 4% maybe. And it's not going to be across the board. There'll be some industries that will lag others. But I think the good news is the second half of 2011, we can expect to be exiting this too long a recession.
Yeah, and that's positive. And millions of people are unemployed here in Florida and across the nation. Any relief in sight in terms of unemployment?
That's a more complex and I think more depressing answer. I said 2 years ago that we would get to over 9% unemployment and it would stay for years, and I think that's the case. There's been a structural reorganization in the economy, and the new age, the shift age that I've written about, the jobs haven't been created yet. So a lot of people are going to do what they're currently doing, which is be independent contractors, be entrepreneurs, and create their own jobs, because those traditional jobs that get measured are no longer available.
And let's talk about something fun. People love big flat screens, iPads, Droids, and any other consumer technology. What's in store for the consumer in 2011?
Well, the good news is the prices are going to keep coming down as they always have. The prices of flat screens are going to keep going down. Tablets are coming down. Cell phones are coming down in price. All the things that we like to spend money on are only going to get cheaper. I think it's going to be the year, bleeding in from this year, the year of the e-reader, of the e-book. Whether it's on a tablet, whether it's on a designated reader, it's going to be about how you can consume print media on tablets, on handheld devices. I think that will be the dominant story.
Finally, David, tell us about any good news you're expecting in 2011.
The good news is prices won't be going up. Prices for those things we love, as I say, the gadgets will be coming down. In fact, prices will be lowering in cars to some degrees. People move to more energy efficient cars.
Good news. All of that's great news. So check out davidhoule.com for more information. And David, thank you so much for joining us from Chicago tonight.